Zachary Toys and Fun.
I can't wait to eat all these Easter eggs. Look at them all here. I love chocolate.
We want chocolate!
What chocolate?
That's chocolate!
This is my chocolate.
It's ours!
Hey. Oh, come on, it's not Easter yet. You can't have any chocolate until Easter. Only grown-ups can have chocolate before Easter. So these are mine. Hey.
We want some! Yes, I want some!
No! Get out! Get out!
Zachary must get revenge. Yeah!
They're not going to have any chocolate. This is all mine. They can do what they like.
Zachary, we need to split up, find any weapons you can. Oh, look at all these weapons. Oh, Nerf, yes! Nerf! Nerf War! Nerf War!
What was that? Nerf War? Did they say Nerf War? Right, I'm going to be ready for them. Haha, my chosen weapon. Bullets. Right, I'm going to be ready for them. I'm going to load all these up. And they're in trouble. Deep trouble. They won't get my Easter eggs. Right, I'm going to be ready for them. They won't know what's hit them. As soon as they come down the stairs, I'm going to shoot them all for these Easter eggs. Right, let's reload and get them. Reloaded. Let's get them. I think this is a good spot. I give up. I give up. I give up. You can have some Easter eggs.
Good.
Oh God. Oh, what a day. Defeated. I'm gonna have to give him my chocolate. God, dear. Come on, boys, have the eggs. Just don't shoot me anymore.